In this video, I'm going to share 20 small business manufacturing ideas that you can start with small capital. I compiled this list bearing in mind that capital is a problem for people looking to start a business. Some of these businesses are new, while some are not, but they will make you money if you start implementing them, all right? So check out all the ideas that I'm going to mention, do your research, do your due diligence, and bear in mind that you do not need to be skillful to start any of these businesses, all right? And at the end of this video, I'm going to share a method that will work for you if you decide to go with the one that you know nothing about. My name is Charles. Let's move. The first idea is manufacturing bamboo products. Imagine making products that help the planet. Bamboo is eco-friendly and it is sustainable. So you can use it to make toothbrushes, utensils, and cutting boards. It might interest you to know that a lot of African countries import toothpicks from China, which is embarrassing, all right? Now, that's even crazy because there's a huge market here, all right? Other bamboo products you can create are decorative items, bamboo lamps, coasters, baskets, and all that. Bamboo products are popular because they are durable and they are environmentally friendly. So you can easily sell your products if you want to sell it. If you get started with this business, you can easily market your products online or at local market or at eco-friendly stores. The second idea is manufacturing natural bath and body products. What if your bath time products were all natural? All right. Make and sell bath bombs, body scrubs, and lotions using natural ingredients like essential oils and herbs. Now, these products are popular because they are gentle on the skin and they are free from harmful chemicals. A lot of people with sensitive skin would want to use products like this. They want to, create variety of scents and formulations to attract different customers, which is what you can do. Now, this market is open and readily available for you. You can sell online, you can sell at health stores, or also sell at local markets. The third idea is fabric accessories. What if you could start a trend with your designs? Make and sell fabric accessories. Fabric accessories like headbands, scrunchies, and handbags, all right? You can use these different types of fabric and patterns to create unique items, okay? So offer custom designs and prints to attract more customers. And the reason why you want to do this, the reason why this is popular and has a huge market is because they are practical and stylish. So selling can be done by just marketing your products online at fashion boutiques or at trade fairs and all that. You can also use social media to market your products, which is pretty easy. The fourth idea is manufacturing pet toys. Now, imagine creating toys that pets go crazy for. This is another great business idea with little investment. Just make toys for dogs and cats using materials like fabric, rope, rubber, and stuff like that. Design toys that are safe and durable and fun for pets. You can sell these toys online at pet stores or at local markets and also online. Pet owners are always looking for new and interesting toys for their pets. Now in Africa, a lot of people are buying pets. It's increasing, it's getting popular. A lot of people, kids now, the Gen Zs, they want pets. So getting a pet store, selling pet toys is something that you want to do. Manufacture toys. Remember, you don't need to have the skills to do this. At the end of this video, I'll show you how you can get started with this without skills or manufacturing it yourself. The fifth idea is candle making. What if you could make your own room smell amazing and make money at the same time? Candle making is fun, creative, and profitable. You start with wax, wicks, and essential oils for scents. In fact, it is one of the easiest to start. You can make scented candles, decorative candles, and other types of candles. You can experiment with different molds and colors to create unique design. Another great thing about this idea is that candles are always in demand for home decors, gifts, and special occasions. There's a huge market for candle making. You can sell them online, you can sell them at trade fairs, you can also sell them in local shops. Now, the sixth idea is customized phone cases. Just imagine everyone having a phone case you designed. You can make and sell customized phone cases for different models online or at trade fairs. Start with plain phone cases and use techniques like painting, printing, or adding decals to create unique designs. You can also offer personalization options where customers can add their names or favorite images. You can market your cases through social media and online stores. The seventh idea is manufacturing paper products. Imagine turning recycled paper into beautiful products. You can create and sell handmade paper items like journals, cards, and stationery. You can use recycled materials or sustainable paper sources. You can also create custom designs for special occasions like weddings and birthdays. Handmade paper products are unique and eco-friendly. Paper products is an easy sell. You can market your products online, at trade fairs, schools, offices, and in local shops. Remember, everybody is gearing towards eco-friendly and recycling. So you want to position your products or your idea around that. The eighth idea is making personalized gift items. What if you could make the perfect gift for every occasion? Create gift items like mugs, keychains, and photo frames with small investments. Use materials like ceramic, metal, and wood. You can also offer customizations with text, photos, and graphics. Personalized gifts are popular for birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays. You can sell them online. You can sell them at local shops. Tourists always, want stuff like that. You can sell them at tourist location around where you live or around the location you intend to sell. The ninth idea is jewelry making. What if you could make unique jewelry that everyone wants? Jewelry making can be highly profitable, especially if you focus on unique custom pieces. You start with basic tools and materials like beads, wire, and clasps. You can create necklaces, bracelets, earrings, and rings. You can also offer custom jewelry services where you design pieces based on customer preferences. So you can sell your creations online, through social media, at trade shows, or through boutiques. Okay, now the 10th idea is handmade crafts. Now these involve some level of creativity. However, handmade crafts are always in demand. You can create items like home decor, accessories, and gifts. You can work with materials like wood, fabric, or paper. And some popular craft ideas include picture frames, candles, knitted items, and pottery. You can sell your crafts online at craft fairs and also in local shops. The 11th idea is cleaning products. What if you could make cleaning products that are safe and natural? With more people wanting eco-friendly products, create your line of cleaning products with natural ingredients. Use items like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Make products like all-purpose cleaners, window cleaners, and laundry detergents. Now, this is a huge market and you can sell them online at farmers markets or, at eco-friendly stores. There are a lot of places that would need products like that. The 12th idea is customized stickers and decals. What if you could design stickers everyone wants? You can leverage trends and viral clips to create stickers people will love. Now, a lot of people don't do this. There are a lot of times that things will trend, but there are no stickers to represent that trend, that so-called trend. So what you can do is to leverage trends and viral clips to create stickers people would love. Create and sell customized stickers and decals for cars, laptops, and other surfaces. Use materials like Vern and offer various designs and customization options. So stickers and decals are popular, all right, for personalization items and promoting brands. So you want to think something around that area. Market your products online, through social media, or local events. Now, the 13th idea is woodworking. Start a woodworking business making handmade products like furniture, toys, and kitchen utensils. You can start with basic tools and a small workshop, or even from home. Create unique designs and focus on quality craftsmanship. Wooden products are valued for their durability and aesthetic appeal, so it will be easy for you to sell these products if you brand it properly. You can sell items online, you can sell at trade fairs, also at local shops. The 14th idea is 3D printing. Now, 3D printing is a creative way of bringing your ideas to life. With 3D printing, you can make prototypes, sculptures, and jewelry. This technology requires a small investment in equipment and materials, but it allows for endless creativity. 3D printing can be used for creating custom items, replacement parts, and even art pieces. There's a market for it, okay? You can sell your services online through social media or at local tech fairs. The 15th idea is soap making. Making soap is great business, all right? You can start by learning the basics of soap making, which involves mixing fats or oils with a base like lye. It's called lye, right? You can make hand soaps, body soaps, and specialty soaps. Different scents, different colors and shapes can make your soap unique. So you can sell your soaps at local markets, online stores, local stores, stuff like that. It's a business that you can start from your kitchen with basic ingredients. So you want to think about going into soap business. It's a business that you can start from your kitchen with basic ingredients. The 16th idea is organic farming. What if you could grow and sell healthy food? Start an organic farming business with a small plot of land. You don't need a very big space. Grow vegetables, fruits, and herbs without using synthetic pesticides or fertilizers. It will interest you to know that organic produce is in high demand because it is healthier and better for the environment. Okay, you can sell your produce at local farmers markets. You can sell it at international markets. You can sell it through community supported agriculture program or through just a local restaurant. Now, the good thing about this business is you already have a selling point, which is the promotion of a healthier and better environment. The 17th idea is t-shirt printing. Now, this is a popular business. You can start with little or no money. You just need a few basic supplies like blank t-shirts, a heat press, and transfer paper. So you can just start by creating your own designs or offering custom printing services for customers that want personalized shirts. You can use screen printing or heat transfer methods. You can market your t-shirts online. You can market through social media or at local events. The 18th idea is organic cosmetics. Now, imagine creating beauty products that are good for your skin and the environment. There's a demand for natural products, so you can start a line of organic cosmetics. This type of products would include skincare items like lotions, creams, and soaps made with natural ingredients. Also consider making hair care products like shampoos and conditioners. Use organic and non-toxic materials. You can sell your products online at health stores or at local markets. The 19th idea is homemade sauces and seasonings. Create and sell homemade sauces, seasonings, and spice blends. Use quality ingredients and unique recipes to stand out. These products can be sold at local farmers markets, online, or to local stores. Homemade food products are popular because they offer unique flavors and they are high quality. The 20th small business manufacturing idea is homemade food products. If you love cooking, start a business making and selling homemade food products like jams, sauces, and baked goods. You need a clean kitchen, quality ingredients, and good packaging. All right. So test your recipes when you're done to just ensure that they taste great and have a good shelf life. You can sell your products at local farmers markets. You can sell it online or in local stores. Now, these are a few ideas that can help you get started. Remember, the key to success in any manufacturing business is to find a unique product or niche and offer high quality product at good prices. Always research your market, make a business plan, and plan your pricing and marketing strategies. Now, if you choose any ideas that I've shared with you and you don't have the skill to implement or to drive the idea, do these things. Spend some time to learn about the business, look at the use cases online, and do your due diligence. All right. Once you've done that, recruit someone with the skill to carry out the relevant duties to bring the ideas to life, because as an entrepreneur, you don't have to do it yourself. You just have to manage people that will do the work for you. If you're still not sure, you can outsource to a manufacturing company in China to do it for you. They can manufacture it and put your brand name on it. All right. At least you can use that to test the market before you go deep into manufacturing it yourself. So you don't need experience. You just need to show up every day. Show up every day. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe and like this video. There are a lot of helpful videos here. If you have ideas or questions, just drop it in the comment section and check out this video here. This is going to help you.